Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making chola masala recipe. In a jar, taking 2 tomatoes, bunch of cilantro, which is kutmir, four green chilies, peeled garlic, one small onion, blended well, in a pan take 2 teaspoons of oil and add the blended mixture. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder, mix well until the oil comes on top. Add 2 cups of chickpea, which is chole. Mix well. Add 1 tea bag. Mix it well. Then you can take it out the tea bag, squeeze it, and you can take it away. And then garnish with some chopped onion and cilantro, which is kutmir. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.